All right, we got about a week and a half till the EOG. It's getting a little closer. Ralph earns $10 a week for his allowance. He can use the equation y equals 10x to determine how much money he will earn after x weeks. What does the y represent in the equation? So occasionally they give you problems where it'll give you an equation or an expression and they'll be asking you what the variables represent. Basically it's just asking them what they mean. Okay? So who thinks they can tell me what the y would represent in this case? Brian? How much money he earned total, okay? So it could also be the other way around. It could have told you what y equaled, asked what x would represent. Obviously, if that were the case, it wouldn't tell you x weeks. But they'll give you things like this and just ask what it represents, and you gotta kind of think your way through those. George has 15 bills in his wallet. Some of the bills are $10 bills and the rest are $5 bills. He has X number of $5 bills. What expression represents the number of $10 bills George has? Expressions don't have equal signs. So in this case, we got a number and a variable. Who thinks they can tell me the correct expression for the number of $10 bills? Nope, not 15x. Expressions don't have equal signs. You just got done saying that. Expressions are going to be without equal signs. They only give you one variable. How many bills does he have? 15. How many of them are $5 bills? X. So if I said he had 15 bills and 5 of them were $5 bills, how many $10 bills would he have? 10. What kind of math do you do? Subtract. So for this, he's got 15 bills. We subtract the number of $5 bills. So that's what it gives us. 15 minus X. You got to use the information they're giving you. Figure out what kind of math is being done with these. Sometimes thinking of it with numbers can help. All right, Eric is selling donuts, $7 per dozen. Which equation can be used to determine the total cost T for X dozen of donuts? Sophia? A is correct. So a lot of these, a little bit easier probably when you have multiple choice, obviously. But A is going to be the correct answer. There's $7 per dozen, right? What type of math does per mean we're working with? Multiplication. So right away, that means it's one of these two, because those are the two that have multiplication. If you see a total cost is the y value. It's going to be the total cost equals. Okay? Any questions on that?